Hello, welcome again. We are covering the subject compressible fluid flow for civil services mains, IFS and GATE aerospace exam. We are discussing the topic Rayleigh curve, and in Rayleigh curve first we discuss the supersonic flow, then we discuss subsonic flow, and we got a point A where the entropy was maximum and subsonic sonic condition exists. So at point A, Mach number is 1 and entropy is maximum. So this thing we analyzed, but now we are going to prove it that at the point of maximum entropy the sonic condition exists. So here first of all we consider continuity equation, then we have then we will have rho u is equal to constant. If we differentiate it, it will be rho du using multiplication rule, rho du plus u 0, and differentiation constant is differentiation of constant is 0. So it will be du is equal to minus u d rho by rho. Okay, now momentum equation is p plus rho u square is equal to constant. So it will be dp u square d rho, okay, and 2 rho u du. Okay, using multiplication rule here, and here it will be du. So now this du is equal to minus u d rho by rho, and if we put here du, then this rho will cancel out and this sign will change to minus, and here it will be u square, or u square d rho is already there, so it will be minus u square d rho. So it will come a bit will come in right hand side will be u square d rho. So u square is dp by d rho. Okay. So u square is dp by d rho. So now as we know that the point A is point of maximum entropy and entropy is constant here. Okay. Because this is the curve where the flow changes to supersonic to subsonic, or subsonic to supersonic, or there is change in direction at this point. Okay, so it means this is the point of maximum entropy. So it means it is entropy is constant, because entropy is changing from entropy is maximum here, and or we can say entropy is constant here. So here we can take this as S constant. So it will be u square S constant is equal to curly p by curly rho S constant. So by definition we know that this is your sonic velocity scale. So it means u square is equal to a square. So at this point u and a are equal, and it means the Mach number 1 exists at the point of maximum entropy. So here we can see that this is the point where the entropy is changing in direction. It is increasing in this direction, now it is decreasing. So at this point it is constant. So this can be taken as point of constant entropy of curly p by curly rho as constant. So that is your a square. So u is equal to a. So this flow is sonic flow.